Ever wondered which luxury cars are still worth owning after the warranty expires? While many fear the cost of repairs, there are standout models that combine luxury, performance, and reliability for the long haul. So, what are the top 10 luxury cars you can confidently own beyond the warranty period? Let's find out. Number 1. Mercedes E-Class W212. The Mercedes E-Class is a classic for long-term reliability, especially the W212 generation, which corrected many issues from its predecessor, the W211. With strong engines and solid engineering, this car can easily cross 200,000 miles if maintained well. Sure, it might have occasional air suspension problems, but for around $16,000, it's a great deal. Number 2. BMW 340i/440i B58 engine. The B58 engine found in the BMW 340i and 440i is a gem. Known for its durability, it's also the same engine in the modern Toyota Supra. The inline-six is incredibly robust, designed for longevity with minimal issues like oil or coolant leaks. If you're after luxury with a side of speed and reliability, this is a fantastic option. Used prices hover around $26,000. Number 3. Audi Q5/S Q5 3.0-liter V6. If you're looking for a compact luxury SUV, the Audi Q5 or the sportier SQ5 with the 3.0-liter supercharged V6 is your go-to. While the 2.0-liter model has issues, the 3.0-liter V6 is solid and dependable, especially with Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive. For an SUV that blends practicality, luxury, and reliability, this one's a winner. Number 4. Audi S4, 2012 to 2016. Based on the same platform as the Q5, the Audi S4 is another standout. Its supercharged V6, combined with Audi's Quattro system, makes it fun to drive and highly dependable. Known for its excellent build quality, the S4's second-generation DSG transmission is also nearly bulletproof, making it a solid choice for luxury that lasts. Number 5. Lexus RX 350. Lexus is synonymous with reliability, and the RX 350 is no exception. With its naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, it has fewer components prone to failure. While not the sportiest drive, it offers comfort, a quiet cabin, and the peace of mind that comes with a vehicle built to last. Mechanically, for sure, this SUV is a tank. Number 6. BMW X5, 2019 and newer. Want something bigger? The BMW X5, particularly with the B58 engine, is one of the best luxury SUVs out there. The X5 is praised for its combination of performance, luxury, and long-term reliability. It's a perfect family SUV, and as prices level off, it's becoming an increasingly good option for longevity without sacrificing luxury. Number 7. Porsche 911 991 generation. The Porsche 911 has a long-standing reputation for both performance and reliability. The 991st generation is particularly dependable, ranking above average for luxury cars. While maintenance isn't cheap, the 911 is engineered to run smoothly for years, making it a great investment for sports car lovers. Number 8. Porsche Cayenne 92A chassis. The Porsche Cayenne is a fantastic blend of the 911's sportiness and SUV practicality. With a reliable 3.6-liter VR6 or 4.8-liter V8, this luxury SUV is not only fun to drive, but also highly dependable. It's perfect for families who need space, but still crave performance, making it one of the most versatile luxury vehicles out there. Number 9. Lexus GX460. For off-road enthusiasts who want luxury, the Lexus GX460 delivers. Built on a rugged body-on-frame design with Toyota's reliability, the GX460 is just as capable off-road as it is on the highway. While its infotainment system might feel outdated, the 4.6-liter V8 engine is known for its durability, making it an excellent choice for long-term ownership. Number 10. Acura MDX 3.5-liter V6. The Acura MDX is another reliable luxury SUV. With its high safety ratings and owner satisfaction, this car is built to last. Although it requires a bit more maintenance than others like timing belt replacements, Its durability and smooth drive make it a solid pick for families looking for a reliable luxury SUV. So there you have it, 10 luxury cars you can confidently own after the warranty ends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.